I guess you heard all the cars honking as I was pulling you over.
Oh, I didn't know. What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCarrington.com, and I'm driving the Lambo, and I just got pulled over by a highway patrolman. Video will be to follow here. Kind of shooting this after the fact, and tell me what you think. I believe I haven't even looked at the ticket yet, but I mean I kind of looked at it, but I think I got a ticket for a window tint film. He called it, I don't remember what he called it, but I think I'm getting a ticket for that. I got a ticket for that, and then he said he got me 65 and a 45, and he said he radared me, but my radar didn't go off, so he must have one of those crazy radar guns that doesn't set off radar. But anyway, funny thing that you'll have to watch, I'll throw a clip in, is he said his kids would kick his ass if they knew that he gave a ticket to a Lambo. So anyway, stick around and watch. Good, how are you?
Good, Mr. Driver license.
I sure do. How are you tonight?
Still good.
Good.
What's the hurry?
Was I speeding?
Oh, come on, man. You went past that Arby's up there at over 65 mile an hour.
Oh, over the bridge?
No, no bridge up there.
Oh, I thought we were right on 71st.
No,
Right down
past County Line Road.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't know. I'm sure it goes fast.
You got an insurance card handy?
I sure do.
You can't be doing that with all these other cars around.
Yeah, I apologize. I just...
Who tinted all the glass on it? You know, the front windshield is illegal.
I guess there's a place out in Bixby that tinted the sides for me. Okay. I bought the car like this.
Yeah, the front windshield can't be tinted.
Oh, okay. I'm just pulling up my State Farm app real quick.
All right. Is this address still correct for you in Bixby?
Yes, sir. Sure is.
All right. Where do you work?
I'm in the mortgage business. I work for...
Okay.
We do home loans.
All right. I guess you heard all the cars honking as I was pulling you over.
Oh, I didn't know.
You've made quite an impression.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I could assist with it.
Well, I mean, anywhere I drive this thing, it does.
When you're driving like you are, I guess you do.
Yeah, well, it's like, you want to see my insurance? Nope. Okay. He said he had me at over... Well, that was interesting. I don't know how much of that I got, but... that was kind of interesting. He just said he wanted my insurance, and everybody was honking as I went by, and he said that he got me at 65, but I didn't get radar, so he had me at 65. I was like, going over the bridge or where? He goes, by the Arby's. Like, where's Arby's? He seemed pissed though. He said everybody was honking whenever he pulled me over. But I think it's just because this engine's loud, bro, and I downshifted, so I don't know. We'll see if we can make anything out of this video. But here it is. So he asked for my insurance, and now he's back there taking a picture of my car. With his cell phone. I was trying to be nice to him. Like, I mean, it sounds like maybe he's just ticked that he says I was... I don't know, however I was driving, he said. So, I don't know. I try to be... I hope I had tried to be super respectful, but he seemed to be ticked that everybody was honking at him. But I guess by Arby's, I got behind a couple cars, and I went in between a couple cars when I went around a car. So maybe that's what he's talking about. But the only thing that I don't agree with how he handled that is he said, "Can you get your insurance?" And I said I was going to pull it up on my State Farm app. And then as I was pulling it up, he kind of got real short with me, and then like walked off. And then I was like, do you want my insurance? And then nothing. So I don't know. We'll he's doing something on his computer, so I already got a ticket like barely a week ago in the Rolly down there in Porter, Texas, or no, where was it? It was Parker, it was Palmer, maybe it was Palmer, Texas, but anyway, you can kind of see him there. I don't know if you can see him in this side view mirror, but he's back there chilling. So I guess I'll set this where it was at before, put his hat back on. So he's coming. He's got papers in his hand.
You found that insurance, right?
Oh, yeah.
Just save a picture of that.
Okay.
Because we're not going to stand out here while you're logging in and all that. Just save it into a picture file. That way you can get to it in a reasonable amount of time.
Yes, sir.
What I've done, I've written you a couple tickets.
Okay.
One's going to be for the window glazing.
Okay.
I don't know if that statute applies the same as another defective ticket.
Okay.
If you get it removed, they may get rid of the ticket.
Okay.
The other one's for the speed. I went ahead and wrote you at 65 to 45. I know you got faster than that, but I couldn't get you with all the cars. So.
Okay. Did you radar me, or how did I get?
Yep,
okay.
Got radar from behind.
Okay.
Now this has a court date, 16th of September. That's at 1:30 in Wagner. If you want to go to court, just be there at 1:30. If you want to mail it in, there's an address and a phone number right here. If you need to call them for something or other.
Okay. There's that insurance card right there, sir.
I found it on the computer.
Oh, you did? Okay,
yeah,
cool.
Computer doesn't work about maybe 10% of the time.
Gotcha.
So, we accept the printed name on the bottom of the ticket to be your signature.
Okay.
All right.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
So today somebody posted on Facebook and they said this guy that got shot by the cops, right?
Okay.
Some dude in Wisconsin.
Okay.
And I told him, I said, I've never been shot by the cops or tased, and that's because I'm respectful with the police when they come up. Is that why you didn't tase me or shoot me? You know what I'm saying? People say this shit all the time, and they're like, cops are jerks or this and that, and they kill black people, they kill whatever. Yeah. But just be respectful with the police.
My goal is I hope you don't think I'm a jerk or disrespectful, but I mean, dude, I'm just like you, man. My kids would kick my ass if they saw me writing a ticket to a Lamborghini, but
well, I mean, you got to do your job. Yeah, I get it, man.
Dude, we're just normal people like everybody else. So
yeah, well, I appreciate you greatly, and when I get caught speeding, I pay the price. So
I did too. I mean, I'm
yeah,
sure of them, so.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate it. Well, be careful out there. We appreciate you.
Man, thanks.
Have a good one. Yep. All right. I thought I'd ask the cop there because he's heading back to his car. Because that did just come up today where somebody said this guy got tased, they got shot by 3 cops, and they just did it because he was black or whatever. And I'm like, look, I don't know, maybe the facts will come out and we'll see, but you know, when you're respectful to the police, I got a ticket, okay? It sucks when you get a ticket. I got a ticket for 20 over, he didn't reduce it, he wrote me a ticket for my windshield tint. I'll go to court and see if I can get out of it, but at the end of the day, I didn't get tased or shot. 1, because he said he didn't have a taser, or maybe he would have tased me. And 2, because I wasn't a total jerk. When he came up, I was respectful to him, and he said his kids would kill him if they knew he gave a ticket to a Lamborghini, but whatever. And, you know, you do the crime, you pay the time. So anyway, huge support to all the police out there. The only problem I had is it felt like, and I kind of understand it, he's not going to stand there and wait for me to pull my insurance up. So he said, take a picture of your insurance card. I'm like, well, you know, not like prepared to get pulled over every 5 seconds, so that's why I didn't, you know, have it there. But anyway, support the popo. Thanks for watching. I get pulled over a lot, so there's a lot of these. Later.